In this video, we will learn what is the looping system. Looping system is nothing but the process of taking the each and every value from the container, then that's called the looping system. Here in this example, just assume that I am having the one container, let's say currency container. I wanted to calculate the each and every currency note from the container. So here in this container I wanted to calculate the sum of the these currency notes. In this case I have to take the each and every note from the container. So here taking the each and every note from the container. So this system we are going to call the looping system. In the looping system we are going to take the each and every note from the container. So if you apply the same example to the C#.NET, in the C#.NET, let's say container means array. So in the array, if you wanted to take the each and every value from the array from the container, then we are going to follow up the looping system. So we are going to implement the looping system in the C#.NET by using the four built-in methods. One is the for each, one is the for, one is the do while, and one is the while loop. So by using the four methodologies, we can implement the looping system. In the next video, we are going to use the for each looping system for taking the each and every value from the array.